Alright, so we're all done building. Hopefully it'll turn on. This is the first one. Alright, go ahead and press that. What's up, everyone? It's Anthony, aka AHP. Okay, ahlips apocalypse. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today should be a fun one. We're gonna be helping my buddy build a PC today. So let's go have a fun adventure. Let's go. Yo, if you're gonna go to a friend's house, you gotta go in style. Yeah. Whose car is this? Whose S2 is this? Chronix, is that you? Oh. Yo. We made it to the house.
Made it to the house.
And we have a rich PC right here.
Oh, Lord.
Rich.
Not even.
Look at this. Tough.
2070?
2070?
Super?
Super?
Whoa.
Ryzen 7?
Ryzen 7?
3700?
Third gen?
What do you gotta say about this?
Look at this. 2 terabytes, WD black. And he got a freaking 500 gig SSD.
Oh, he had to bring out the Razer. RGB. Dude. Alright,
nice.
Let's build this thing. Let's go.
Hey guys, Strawberry Boy. Cali's finest 187, building his PC. But he says he's now California's MILF.
No.
187, that's his new name.
Who's this? Who's this?
Huh? Oh, that's the
Stupid. Hey, what
S2
is
Chronix.
this? Hey, what is this, man? He's making him build a PC. What is this?
Oh, bro.
I'm not making him. Don't listen to him.
This is a moment of truth, man. This is scary as fuck.
Wait, that's it? You don't? There's nothing you can pop off like in the Intel?
No.
Ryzen's different. So then there should be like a white arrow on the corner of the CPU.
Moment of truth.
Careful.
And then just be careful with it. Just place it right on top. And just don't press anything.
Don't press.
Alright, and
Is it in
then
there?
yeah, and then go ahead and put the lever down.
Is it in? That's what she said. Don't press.
Wait.
Wait. Make sure.
Crack!
I knew it wasn't in. It's in, boys.
Push it down until that.
But we are,
flips up.
Go ahead.
You sure?
Come on.
Let
Let me see.
It'll take some force. Just don't worry. Like
Let's
motherboard's
see if we
pretty
can get
tough.
this in. Push it down.
Oh! Too hard!
No, that was a crack of the motherboard. Oh, dude, you scared the dog. But not this time. Alright, y'all, we're getting there. And so it's lunchtime. What is it? Lunchtime, dinner time. You know, almost curfew. We got the almost curfew. We got a fish over here. Got a sandwich over here. Let's check it out over here.
Put the dogs in the vlog.
Oh, well, we got another sandwich somewhere else. Oh, right over here. And check out what my dude over here is eating. What are you eating, man?
Pastrami curly fries.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Is it a good portion?
Yeah. I think it's. I can finish this.
Oh my god! Dude! Oh my god! Ugh, pickles. Good luck, man. We'll catch up with you in a bit, bro. Machaca all night, bro. Yeah.
Precise comparison. That thing's bigger than my Mac. Bro.
Good luck, man. Good luck.
Hey, dude, it's worth $15.
Alright, so we're all done building. Hopefully it'll turn on. This is the first one. Alright, go ahead and press that. Okay.
Yeah, press it.
Usually like, yeah, indicator lights on.
Oh, indicator lights.
Ooh! Welcome to the PC race.
That shit is clean. Let's see it. Charles, surprise face. Let's see it. Aaron, there it is.
Alright, you got it? Alright, we got this. Ooh, first time plugging it in.
Oh my god.
Ooh, oh my god.
Oh!
Oh, turn it on.
It doesn't work! Oh, shit!
It does work. 7 hours later, and the homie Aaron really made it that.
He ordered enchiladas.
Tell me why he got another meal.
Gotta last me till like next week or so.
Oh my god, this is too much, man.
Play COD.
No, sign into Facebook.
No.
All right, I don't know if you can see me, but we're back. Oh man, you can see me now. That LED. We're back. We finished the PC build. It runs. We're gonna play games later on. Hopefully, it still runs. What'd you think? Was it easy?
Yeah, it wasn't that bad. It was pretty straightforward. Small things that were missing, but
We got it.
yeah, we got it.
You
It runs.
You need a PC built. We got it. Also, the thing that wasn't easy for you, bro.
Oh yeah, the food. I know. I barely made a dent in it.
Dude, well, now you got food for the whole week.
I know,
Or a
right?
month.
Don't have to go out and get food for a while.
Yeah.
But
I
yeah.
still have half of my sandwich. This guy has a whole meal. for
Oh,
the
I know.
whole- All right. Well, I don't know what I'll cut to, but peace out. We'll see what's up.